Hello unicorns, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie, and today we are not really unboxing because the envelope that this came in had my address on it. However, this is an order that I got Monday, and it's taken me a couple days to film this because Monday was the very first day of school for my boy. He started kindergarten, and it was at a new school, and he didn't have a very good first day. And so I went in Tuesday to try and figure out what the problem was, and come to find out that it was just an all around rough day and he does not like his school. So I ended up at work on Tuesday with my husband because after we left the school, we went to go find the documents we needed to transfer my son. And by the time we got done running around, hubby just didn't have time to take me back home. So I ended up at work with him. And Monday when I got home, sorry, but Monday when I got home, this was waiting in my mailbox, and I was so excited. Now, for those of you who don't know, uh, I was looking at getting some of these for a while now, and they are Krissyanne Design stickers. Yay! If you don't know, Krissyanne Designs is by a family-owned business that is ran by a lady named Kristen Damian. Shout out to you, Kristen. These are awesome. Um, and her and her husband run this sticker shop, and I'm so excited because she had these on sale for a $2 Tuesday. Now, $2 Tuesday is when she puts up kits and they're $2, and it's usually on Tuesday. Um, I bought the whole kit for $10, and I bought an extra sheet for an extra $2. So after shipping and handling, my whole total price was like $15, which is not bad. And I was super, super, super excited. So let's get into this. And for those of you wondering, my husband had a great time at the Iron Maiden concert. This is the little sampler that came with this one. We have a turtle. Oh, we have a turtle. We have Tidy Up, a cute little box here, chat head box, nailed it, check mark, money, podcast Steve. She does cute little doodles like this by the name of Steve. She has all kinds of varieties and sunglasses. Now, she also works in collaboration with Cindy Gunterbaldo over at Llama Letters. And I love Cindy's lettering, which is also another reason why I bought these. Because I've tried to do Cindy's lettering and I just can't. But here we have the washi strips. And it is a glossier paper. It's not a matte paper, but I'm okay with that. I have Sharpie permanent markers in the fine lines, but we have flags, we have the bubbles, bills due, rescheduled, canceled, laptop icon, mail icon, laundry cleaning, lazy day, to-do list stickers, date covers. That's the first page. And then here we have more flags. She does also offer a variety of sizes. So whether you're in a traveler's notebook, a bullet journal, Erin Condren planner, she's got a size that will most likely work with you. We have a couple more strips of washi. I believe these ones are half boxes. Habit trackers, quarter boxes, event labels, and I really, really liked the color scheme of this, and I was so excited that it was on a $2 Tuesday. We have this week's stickers. There's a glare, I'm sorry. But to go, to clean, work, labels, more trackers. And then here we have home labels, TV labels, car labels, money labels, to do, today, and extras. And then we have, what did I say, half boxes? Yeah, half boxes. And then quarter boxes. And then here we have full boxes, event labels, and quarter boxes. And then here, the very last page, we have checklists. And I love these because I can use these not just all in one week, but I can use them throughout like the month if need be, which is awesome. And more labels down here. And then here, down here, these two little marks, they were not originally on there. I put them on there because I was testing to see which Sharpie would work better, if they would smear or not. But this is my Krissyanne Designs haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one when I'm setting up my September in the Passion Planner. Bye.